Hey guys, how you all doing? Back again for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chocolate fondant from scratch. If you like the sound of that, please smash the like button down below and subscribe. And let's get into it. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do is grease 4 6-ounce ramekins with butter and sugar and put them in the fridge until you need them. Break up 150 grams of dark chocolate and melt in a water bath with 113 grams of unsalted butter. Meanwhile, crack 4 eggs into a bowl, add vanilla extract, whisk in 150 grams of sugar, pour in the chocolate mixture, then fold in 50 grams of all-purpose flour. And guys, the batter is done. It is ready to bake. Now fill up your ramekins and bake at 220 degrees Celsius for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. Oh, lovely. Perfectly running, as it should be. God damn. That's it for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.